everyone! Today we are going to talk about something we all use every day, the calendar. But have you ever wondered why some people celebrate holidays on different dates each year? That's because there are two main types of calendar, the lunar calendar and the solar calendar. Let's find out what makes them different.
Let's start with the solar calendar. The solar calendar is based on Earth revolution around the sun. It takes about 365 days for the Earth to complete one full orbit around the sun. That's why the solar year has 365 days or 366 days in a leap year. Our modern Gregorian calendar used by most of the world is a solar calendar. The system keeps the season in the same month every year. For example, summer always happens around June to August.
On the other hand, the lunar calendar follows the moon's orbit around the Earth. One full lunar cycle from new moon to new moon takes about 29.5 days. So, a lunar year has 354 days, which is about 11 days shorter than the solar year. Because of this, lunar months and holiday move through different seasons every the years. For example, in the Islamic calendar, Ramadan shifts about 10 until 11 days earlier every year.
That's a bit different, right? To make things more interesting, some cultures use lunisolar calendars, which combine both systems. For example, the Chinese calendar uses the moon to determine months, but add an extra month every few years to stay in line with the sun. That's why Chinese New Year doesn't fall on the same date each year, but always stay in the same season, usually between late January and February.
This difference comes from astronomy, how the Earth, Moon, and Sun move in space. The solar calendar is based on the Earth-Sun relationship, when the lunar calendar is based on the Earth-Moon relationship. Because the Moon orbit is the shorter, lunar moon don't fit evenly into a solar year. That's why lunar calendar drift over time.
So, to summarize, solar calendar based on the sun, 365 days. Lunar calendar based on the moon, 354 days. That's why holidays based on the lunar system move every year. Calendars show how humans connect science, time, and culture, and that's what makes them so fascinating.
Thank you for watching, everyone. We hope this helped you understand why the lunar calendar is different than the solar calendar. See you next time. Bye!